If you want to add widgets on the lock screen on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we should be able to scroll down a little bit and then go to Personalize. After going here, we should be able to find the lock screen option, so let's select it. Then we're gonna tap on the lock screen preview over here, and then we should be able to tap on the circles that we have below the clock. Here we can choose a couple of different widgets that we can add into the lock screen. So let's say I'm gonna add the Do Not Disturb button. There's also the temperature over here, and let's say I assume this is like a Bluetooth connection. We should be able to tap on this check in the upper right corner if you want to save your changes. And there we go, this is how it looks like. So we should be able to see it. In case you don't see them, which is possible if you have the navigation style set to list, let me actually switch that. So we're gonna go back to Settings, open lock screen over here and change the navigation style, and we're gonna switch to, let's say, bubble. All right. And then we should be able to see the result. There we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.